Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are talking about a critical topic in construction, the high repair costs due to poor compaction or inadequate use of vibrators during slab concrete casting. These are mistakes that can lead to costly repairs and time delays if not addressed properly. Compaction and vibration are essential steps during concrete casting. Without proper compaction, your slab could suffer from honeycombing, segregation, or even hidden voids. Let's break down what happens if these issues arise and the costs associated with repairing them. First, there's assessment and inspection. Detecting these problems early with non-destructive tests like ultrasonic pulse velocity or ground-penetrating radar is crucial. This step alone can range between 15,000 rupee to 80,000 rupees. If poor compaction is found, the next step often involves chipping and demolition to remove weak sections. Depending on labor and access, this can cost anywhere from 400 rupee to 1,200 rupee per square foot. After that, there's surface preparation. This includes cleaning and rebar exposure, potentially applying rust removers or protective coatings if rebars are exposed, costing 150 rupee to 400 rupee per square foot. In cases where rebars are corroded, you may need reinforcement repair or bonding agents. This repair alone can range from 800 rupee to 2000 rupee per square foot. To restore the slab's integrity, specialized concrete repair mortar or grout injections are often used, adding another 800 rupee to 2500 rupee per square foot. Finally, after repairs, surface finishing and curing are needed to ensure strength and a smooth finish, costing an additional 80 rupee to 250 rupee per square foot. As you can see, these costs add up quickly. In total, you could be looking at 2,500 rupee to 6,500 rupee per square foot to repair a slab due to initial mistakes in compaction and vibration. At Vasavi Infra Solutions, we know the importance of getting it right the first time. Our team specializes in structural engineering, ensuring that every slab meets the highest standards for compaction and strength, saving you from costly repairs and project delays down the line. By investing in proper compaction and vibration techniques, you are not just building a stronger structure but also avoiding economic setbacks and time delays. If you want expert guidance on your next construction project, contact Vasavi Infra Solutions. Our expertise can make all the difference in delivering quality results on time and within budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more valuable insights on construction best practices. And remember, at Vasavi Infra Solutions, we are here to build your future with strength and reliability.